A very good morning to all my dear children. Hope you all are good at your places. And I really hope that you all have learned what was taught to you yesterday. That's good. So today, first of all, we are going to revise the concepts that we have learned yesterday. Okay? Open your English book, Child Centric English Perfection Toolkit 1 of 2. This is your book. Very good. Turn the pages. Here we come to our page number 7. So, what we learned yesterday? We have learned about letter A. Apple. Apple. You have to speak the sound of letter A whenever you call out the letter A along with sounds. So apple, apple. And what is the vocabulary related to letter A? Apple, ant, alligator, ambulance, arrow. I hope the parents were able to guide their children accordingly and show them the pictures of apple, ant, alligator, ambulance, arrow. And I really hope that you all have eaten the apple yesterday. You all ate apple yesterday? That's good. Okay, let us recall the concepts that we learned with letter A. So here's letter A. What is this? This is letter A. Apple. A apple. What is this? This is ant. A ant. And this is an ambulance. What is this? Ambulance. Ambulance. Arrow. A arrow. A alligator. A alligator. So these are the objects related to letter A which we have learned yesterday. Okay. Then there was a kinesthetic activity related to letter A. What was the activity? You parents have to give an apple to their children, and the child will munch the apple and will say apple, apple. Okay. So what's the another thing for the day now today? Now we will come to this part of discussion. Okay, we'll discuss this part today. What is there in this part today? What is this? An apple is a fruit. What is an apple? Apple is a fruit. Apple is a fruit. An apple is round in shape. What is the shape of apple? Round. What is the shape of apple? Round. It's round. An apple is sweet. How does it taste? Apple is sweet. And what is the color of apple? Red. What is the color? Red. An apple is red. You might remember that we have done the coloring as well yesterday in the image of apple. I hope you all have done the coloring in apple. So you have made a red color apple. What is the color of an apple? Red colored. What is the shape of apple? It's round in shape and it is a fruit. Okay? It is a fruit. Now we are going to recite the rhyme on apple the way we did yesterday. So open your rhyme booklet. I have opened mine book. मैम ने अपनी book open की है. Have you opened all? Have you all opened your books? This is your rhyme booklet. Turn the page. Turn the page. So here's your rhyme. Wash the apple. So let's listen the rhyme. This is the rhyme number one. Wash the apple. Let's listen the rhyme today.
Wash the apple and eat. Wash the apple and eat. Wash, 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 wash the apple and eat. Peel the banana and eat. Peel the banana and eat. Peel, 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 peel the banana and eat. Cut the lemon and eat. Cut the lemon and eat. Cut, 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 cut the lemon and eat. Wash the apple and eat. Wash the apple and eat. Wash, 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 wash the apple and eat. Peel the banana and eat. Peel the banana and eat. Peel, 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 peel the banana and eat. Cut the lemon and eat. Cut the lemon and eat. Cut, 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 cut the lemon and eat.
So, this was the rhyme. Wash the apple and eat. I hope you all enjoyed the rhyme time. I really request the parents to let the child hear to the rhyme every day. At least when your child will listen the rhyme, he won't be able to speak the complete rhyme, but still your child will try to utter a few of words from that. So let us listen the rhyme once again.
Wash the apple and eat. Wash the apple and eat. Wash, 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 wash the apple and eat. Peel the banana and eat. Peel the banana and eat. Peel, 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 peel the banana and eat. Cut the lemon and eat. Cut the lemon and eat. Cut, 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 cut the lemon and eat. Wash the apple and eat. Wash the apple and eat. Wash, 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 wash the apple and eat. Peel the banana and eat. Peel the banana and eat. Peel, 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 peel the banana and eat. Cut the lemon and eat. Cut the lemon and eat. Cut, 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 cut the lemon and eat.
So this was the rhyme. Wash the apple and eat. Okay. So what was the point of discussion over here? An apple is a fruit. An apple is round in shape. An apple is sweet. And an apple is red. Apple. Okay. So you have to tick over here. This apple is blue or red. This apple is blue or red. This apple is red. So you will take care that your apple is of red color. And how many apples did you eat today? How many apples did you eat? One, two, or three? Or none? Okay. So you have to tell ma'am that how many apples did you eat today? If you have eaten one apple, so you will circle this one. Okay, so let's move on to our next subject, that is Hindi. This is your Hindi booklet. You have to open your child centric Hindi Chitra Pustika Perfection Toolkit 1 of 2. Turn the page. So, what is this? A. We have started with स्वर. आज हम पहला स्वर सीखेंगे. What is this? अ. अ से अनार. अ से अनार. How do we form a? Like this. For one, then sleeping line, then standing line. So, kids, you have to move your finger upon the formation of A. You have to move your finger upon the formation of A. A say anar. What is this? A. A. A say anar. A say anar. Here are some more images in your booklet. A amrood, a adrak, a ajgar, a akhbar. Let me show you. Let me show you these images.
मेरा तो बिल उठ रहा है वेट में है ना कुछ काम ही नहीं करना इसीलिए कौन मिलेगा उस तरह मिला
Let me show you the words related to swar a. What we are going to do? Words related to swar a. This is a. What is this? A. What is this? A. A से अमरूद. A से अमरूद. What is this? अमरूद. अ से अदरक. अ से अदरक. अ से अजगर. What is this? A अजगर. अ अखबार. अ अखबार. What is this? अखबार. अ अखबार. So you have to recall all the things related to swar a. A amrood. A adrak. Adrak is also dancing. A ajgar. A akhbar. A akhbar. A akhbar. So you have to read this first page of Hindi where we have the swar a. A से अनार. A से अनार. What are the other things related to a? A अमरूद. A अमरूद. A अदरक. A अदरक. A अजगर. A अजगर. A अखबार. A अखबार. So this is swar a. Swar a. What is this? This is swar a. So what we have learned today? We have learned letter A, objects related to letter A. Then we have listened to our rhyme, wash and cut the apple, wash the apple and eat. Then we have done swar a and objects related to swar a. Now, moving on to next, open your next book. Here we open our writing skills book. One new book we are going to start today. What is the name of the book? Child Centric Writing Skills Perfection Toolkit. Okay, so you have to open this writing skills booklet. Let's move on to the next page. Turn the page. Before writing, we have to do some of the activities with our children so their fine motor grip is developed and they'll be able to write easily and their fine motor grip will be more enhanced through these activities we are going to do today. So, building fine motor skills for writing. Before writing, we have to focus upon their fine motor grip so that they can hold a pencil. And I really request the parents to please introduce a triangular pencil to your child. Initially, you have to buy a triangular pencil for your child when your child will start writing. Don't go for any other pencil. Initially, when a triangular pencil is used by a child, it helps to go with the formations in a smooth manner to write properly, and the child can hold the triangular pencil easily. So first of all, we are going to do scrunching paper activity. What is the scrunching paper activity? Let each child make 3 paper balls and have the fun activity of throwing the balls into a bin kept at a certain distance. You have to give your child, either you can use tissue paper, either you can use wrapping paper, or you can use a regular paper. So you have to give sheets to your child and your child has to scrunch the paper and make paper balls. आपके बेबी को उसकी पेपर बॉल्स क्रिएट करनी है. Your child will create 3 balls and you just have to keep a bin in front of your child at some of the distance. Now tell your child to throw that paper balls into the bin one by one. When your child was crunching the paper and the child was making the balls, so that time your child was enhancing their fine motor grip because they were using their fingers to scrunch the paper. So they have to do the activity of scrunching the paper, and parents are requested to share the images or the videos in the group. Next, we have Play Doh. Wow, that we also call Play Doh as clay, even. And I request the parents, whatever the activities are done with the child, that must be done under your guidance because they should not be left alone while performing any of the activity. Either they are playing with Play Doh also, so that they may not swallow that Play Doh. Even if you feel like uncomfortable, so you can buy non-toxic clay dough. Otherwise, you can make it at home as well. If you want, we can share the recipe of the clay dough that can be prepared easily at home. But please make sure that you will be there with your child whenever your child is performing any of the activity. So give your child the Play-Doh to play and tell your child to form any of the shapes. They can make snakes, they can make letters, they can make standing line, they can make sleeping line, whatever they want to make. So let them make. Another activity is cutting practice. Now you have to introduce scissors to your child. Make sure you will not use a routine scissor with your child. You will introduce child friendly scissors. You will only give your child friendly scissors, and that should be even used under your guidance only. Don't leave your child alone while the child is performing these activities. That's a humble request from our side, that these all activities should be performed under the guidance of the parents. So this is another activity which is to enhance the fine motor skills of our little ones, because after these activities they'll be able to have a proper grip of their hands, they'll be able to hold the pencil, and for sure these activities will help them out to write in a proper manner. So let us see these activities. So this is papers. This is crunching paper activity. So this way your child will make the paper balls and your child has to throw it in the bin. Another one was Play-Doh, playing with the Play-Doh. See over here, the child is making different objects with the Play-Doh. Next is cutting practice. As we just discussed, that the child has to use a child-friendly scissor to cut the Play-Doh. But make sure you will not introduce any regular scissors that is used by the adults to any of the child. We will only use the child-friendly scissors with our little ones. So these are the three activities which our little ones have to perform. So this was all about the day to day. This was building fine motor skills for writing. Initially, when they'll start writing, they will build up their fine motor skills before writing. So we are focusing on their fine motor grip as well. So they'll be comfortable with their writing part. So this was all about the day. We have learned letter A, we have learned swar A, we have heard about the rhyme, and then we have done three of the activities: crunching paper, Play-Doh activity, and cutting of the Play-Doh. So you all please perform these activities and share the photographs and videos with us. Okay, children, bye bye. Take care. See you tomorrow with some more interesting activities.